Namaskar Mitro. Myself Parmar Chetan, and today I am going to discuss about the stack data structure. This is the second lecture of data structure series, and in last lecture we discussed about the type of and categorize of data structures is basically in linear and non-linear data structure. So from this video series, I am starting with the first linear data structure, and from that linear data structure, stack is the first data structure which is considered under the linear data structure. So now let's see what is a stack, how to create a stack, and what operations you can perform on these stacks. So first, what is a stack? We discuss about stack. A stack is a container of elements that are inserted and removed. You focused on these two words, inserted and removed, according to the last in first out principle. That means it will follow a LIFO order. So the last element will be inserted, it will be removed first, and the first element will be inserted, it will be removed last, which is the stack. Okay. A stack is an ordered list of elements of same data type. So we can say that it will be following the concept of array also, because array is also storing a element in the same data type. But here in stack it will be following a LIFO order. Okay. Say a stack is a linear list. So as I earlier said that linear data structure, so stack is following the linear list. Means we can say that each and every element is inserted in a sequential manner also. Okay. Let's say I'm giving a one simple example of a stack of disk container. We can see that in any of the restaurant or any marriage functions, this whole disk is arranging in some meaningful order. In a stack wise list is there. Whenever we want any disk, we will pick up the disk from top. First disk we will pick up. We are never pick up the last disk at the bottom side. We always pick up from top side. So it is a live example of a stack where the first element, the last disk is take up first. Okay, which is the best example of a stack. Okay. Now we move ahead to, in a stack all operations like insertion and deletion are performed at only one end, and it's known as a top. Okay, this one. So this top is the indicator where you can performing insertion also and deletion also. See here in this figure, here I am creating a stack of fives, total 5 element, 1 2 3 4 5, having index 0 1 2 3 and 4. This is the horizontal way. You can also display a stack in a vertical way also, like this. Not an issue about that, but the concept is the same. You can insert and delete any operations using this top. Here again same, so bottom side 0 1 2 3 4. So this is the last item. Okay, now if you want to, and this position is known as a top position. So we can say that each and every element will be inserted at the top position and also delete from top positions. So depends upon how you can be create. You can go if you want horizontal or you want a vertical, depends upon you. Now what are the operations performed on this text? So basically four operations performed: creation, insertion, deletion and displaying. So basically first we can creating a stack, inserting any element, deleting any element and displaying the whole stacks. So first we can see that a creation, how the stack will be created. So for that you have to first mentioning the size of this stack, and it's a constant value. That's why here I am using has define. I hope you all are aware about what is the concept of has define, which will be creating a preprocessor constants variable. So this is the variable name and this is the size of the stack. So here I am creating a size of 5 stack, and this is my stack variable contain this size value, so it's contain 5 element. Okay, now so ultimately it's look like this: 1 2 3 4 5 size, indication from 0 1 2 3 4. So this is my stack. This is a totally a blank stack when you first time create a stacks. Now second operations, I want to perform the insert operation on these stacks. So for that, you this insert operation is formally known as a push operation by using this push keyword. This is my method push, and here I am passing element which element I want to insert in the stack. Here first it will be checking the conditions about that the stack is a full or not. That means the whole stack is a blank or full. So that if stack is full, that means you have to you never insert any element. So you can just print a message stack is overflow. Otherwise you can increment the top value, the top position value, and at that position you can insert the element which you already passed as a parameter. Okay, so this is the algorithm, or we can say that this is the simulator type of code for insert operation. Same way, see, like this deletion operation is also performed, and this delete operation is known as a pop. You can remember these things. Your insert operation is known as a push operation, and the deletion operation is known as a pop operation. Now here I am also discussing about the pop. This is a pop. Okay, here see that it's a return type in integer. That means it will be return some value from the stack. That's why its return type is available. First checking the condition about the stack is empty or not. If stack is empty, then stack is underflow. You just print the message and return from top positions. Okay, otherwise you can now this time pick up the value at the top position, and you can now decrement this top value. You can see that in insert operation we will increment the top value, and in deletion operation we will be decrement the top value. Okay, then return from deleted value, and this stack will be pop-up value. Okay, now for displaying you just have to provide a first check condition is stack is empty. If stack is empty, then no necessary to you have to display anything from the stacks, and you just print it's empty. Otherwise you can be using the for loop, and you just printed all item from top position to up to the bottom 0 position. So it will be decremented top to up to 0 to, and you fetch the value just like the array, and you just print it value. So it will be displaying a whole stack value, what value inside that in the stack. Okay, now this whole thing creation, insertion, deletion, and displaying all operations now will be understood by example how it will be performed. Okay, so now first creation, here same thing, I am defining a size of 5 and creating a stack. So initially it will be look like this. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 element starting from 0 to 4 positions. Now I am doing insert operations. As I told you, it's known as a push operation. Now I am passing a push function, calling push function. So first I am push 10. Here my top position at this level, and it will be simultaneously incremented by 1 up to size -1. Okay, so if I am value push 10, so 10 will be inserted at this top position. So it will be look like this. You can see here. Okay, and now the top will be here based upon our algorithm. Now again I am pushing one more element, so push 20. So now top will be incremented and top will come to here. Let's say I will be just highlighting it from one point so you can easily understand. So now top will be moved to here at that locations, and if I am push 20, so 20 will be here. You can see here. Okay, now again I want push one more, so I'm just pressing push 30. So push 30, so again top will be incremented and it will be reach here, so 30 will be inserted at that locations. Okay, now one more I am pushing push 40, so again top will be incremented and it will be reached to here, and this 40 will be inserted at that locations. One more place is available here, so again I am pushing push 50. So now again top will be incremented and top will reaching here, and 50 is inserted at that locations. Okay, now see that in this here now whole stack is now full, but suppose if I fire push 60 one more location, so it gives the error, stack is overflow. That is a no place for inserting this 60 element in that stack. Okay, I hope you understands how this push operation is performed on this stack. Okay, okay, now we move on, go ahead on deletion. As earlier said, it's known as a pop. Our stack is right now in this condition, total 5 element 10 20 30 40 50. Now I am calling pop our top position at that locations. I you see it in last video, last slide. So now this 50 will be pop up, so now it will be blank, it will be deleted from that locations. Now our top at dates location, it will be decremented. So again I am popping, so 40 will be removed, 40 will be removed here. Again top is reaching here 30 locations at that locations, so now again pop, so 30 will be removed. Again I am popping, so now 20 will be removed. Again I am popping, so again 10 will be removed. Now our stack is blank, but still if I am fired pop, so it gives the message stack is underflow. That is a no item available in a stack. Okay, so clear. So push operation is used for inserting element into stack, and pop method is used for popping the element from the stack. Okay, now so in this way you can perform the push and pop operations in a stacks. Thank you so much for watching me, and if you like this video you can press the like button. If you have any doubt or comment regarding this stack, then you can mention in a comment box. If you like this channel, you can press the like button, also subscribe my channel, also you can share this video with your friends and your colleagues. Thank you so much for watching me, and have a good day.